Looking at JPM over here and Chase Bank, all that kind of good stuff. You can see price pushing up here on the weeklies, and right now we have a little bit of consolidation going on here. And from the technical aspect, which is really what we want to be talking about here, uh, I see this as being just a little bit of a range period potentially before we push even higher. Now, how high is this market going to go? I don't really know, but this is the highest point that this market has been in for quite a while. Chase hasn't been this high ever, it looks like. So we are at all-time highs, pushing into this area, and we're getting a lot of consolidation right now. And I think that's pretty interesting. Are we going to go any higher or not? As we look at the price action this week, I really feel like Chase can go higher. I don't see anything stopping it as of right now. The price action hasn't confirmed anything to the downside. We are just in a sideways range right now here. Okay, so I'm still looking for the trend to continue on, and as we look for the trend to continue on, you know, there's no reason to doubt that it won't just continue to go higher off the bottom of this range down here at 85.50. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, you can see again, this is the range that we're in from 85.26 up to 86.91. We are just bouncing back and forth in between these two areas here. I don't really see anything right now as far as the price action goes that would say that, hey, we are coming down off of this level. If we broke 84.19, then hey, there's something there, you know, but right now we haven't done that. So I'm just going to say that we're in a range and to expect to stay in the range to the uptrend as well. Always look to follow the trend. So if we can buy low and sell high, that's the way we want to go. So I would be looking to be a buyer down here in this zone from 85.26 down to 84.19. Looking at Wells Fargo here on the weekly, you can see price has come up here to the 57.90 level, this supply zone up here that's now turned from the aqua to the blue, giving us some money bounce, and has pushed back down into the 54.06 level. This to me looks like a really good retracement now to retest the highs up there at the 57.90 level. So we will wait and see if that happens here. And you just have to be patient as price confirms the 54.06 down to 54.01 zone down here. This would be more of going with the trend, looking for new highs with this particular market here on the weekly time frame. Looking at the daily time frame, you can see the nice little launch that we had to the upside on this particular market here. And as we look at it, you can see all the consolidation that's been going on here. Now, price has not confirmed this level. We were looking at the weekly before. You can see that it's two zones here on the daily. So price hasn't confirmed this, but we have been putting in a lot of range. Okay, so we need price to confirm the move to the upside before we can really get on board to this thing with a lot of confidence. So my suggestion is to wait right now until you get price action confirming these levels down here before you get in. But we do definitely have the risk to reward here, going from the 54.50 level roughly up to the 57. Actually, I would say that's pretty close to 58. Okay, so there's definitely some good risk to reward to be had. However, if price does come a little bit lower than that and hits the 52.44 level, I think that's fine. Okay, we want to make sure that we give price the respect it's due, and wait to see if there isn't a bounce down here first before it launches back up into the 58 area. On the 4-hour time frame here, I'm looking for price to continue to the downside as we have a little bit of room to run here, if you will. So if we can continue down before we push to the upside, we have good support down here at the 51.90 level, and looking up here at the 55.85 level as far as some good resistance. So I would like to see us move down before up. is what I'm thinking right now, just based upon the price action to the left. From a pure technical standpoint, I could see something like that happening here, and then you're in with the trend, buy low, sell high, and all that type of good stuff there. So until next week, may the trend be with you.